This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I love meeting here with you in these online lessons. In this video, I'm going to give a brief overview of this lesson series, which specifically goes with the theory and technique book from my method book series, and that's the second edition. The second edition has hundreds of pages of additional information compared to the first edition. So this lesson series is going to accompany that book, which is full of so many awesome things that pertain to playing the guitar and just to music in general. And of course, here in the lesson series, I'll be supplementing what's in there, just sort of demonstrating some of the things that are explained. Also, we'll be playing some of the exercises together so you can jam right along with me, and any jam along tracks I create with bass and drums and guitar accompaniment, or just drums depending on what the activity is. So some supplementary things here in the video, and also just some demonstration of the things that are explained there. This is an extensive book, 340 pages of text, and then once you add in that there's an index so you can look things up, as well as a table of contents where you can see how everything is laid out. It's actually got more pages than that, but 340 pages of text, so it's pretty intense, and this lesson series is going to accompany it. So with this, we look at the fundamentals of music notation and rhythm and just pitch and how those work with the guitar. We look at strumming and plucking techniques. We look at the scale system so we can unlock the fretboard. Really, we look at unlocking the fretboard harmonically and melodically. So we got a scale system that helps us unlock the entire fretboard, really learn where those notes are, and be able to use the fretboard really systematically when we're composing, when we're reading notation, and when we're improvising. So just the different styles that we play in, it's really great for that. And then with that, there are hundreds upon hundreds of scale modes that exist, and in the book I've tried to include all that are used, plus some that could potentially be used that sort of open up our mind to discovering things that maybe haven't even been explored yet, which might be useful for composing and improvising. So probably the most extensive scale book out there when it comes to scales and modes on the guitar in a really useful way. With that, we got to also look at chords, perhaps the most extensive dive into how to play voicings on the guitar, how to understand the chords that can be played, all the different types that exist, and then how we can voice them in different ways on the guitar. Again, helps with arranging and composing, and then just playing music in general. These things especially help, say, a jazzer who wants to compose and improvise and play tunes and interact, but it helps anybody in any style that's really interested in unlocking the fretboard and just knowing how to play different types of voicings for all the different types of chords that exist. So it's really great that way. We also got to look at harmonizing melodies and how the chords work with the melody, which is really great for songwriting and composing and improvising, seeing how those two correlate. We can look at chord melodies and how we can harmonize and just play with voicings with the melody on top on the guitar, and how we can strum or finger pluck chords that go with somebody else playing the melody or us singing the melody. Of course, with that, we'll also look at finger picking patterns and strumming patterns. We'll look at alternate tunings that can be used on the guitar. We'll talk a little bit about ear training tips. There's just so many things covered in this book. Intervals and just understanding this. Really, the book unlocks the guitar to the greatest extent that I think it can be unlocked and known, and opens up the mind into ways you could explore things that go beyond what is out there. And here in the lesson series, I'll be supplementing and demonstrating some of what's explained there to hopefully help you with your studies to understand it better. Sometimes seeing it demonstrated and having examples written on the page work much better together than just reading a book or just having videos. So we've got these two happening together, and then of course there'll be exercises that you can sometimes, any of the exercises in the book, there will be provided opportunities with you to jam right along with me, and sort of drums and the band, depending on whatever works best. So this book is awesome. I'm delighted to bring it to you. I love fretboard theory. I love music theory. I love composing and improvising and songwriting and all those things. And here it is in one huge volume to help you. And here is the lesson series that's going to go with it. The lesson series will just sort of progress through the book. And so just kind of goes from front to back. Though with the book, you don't have to start at the beginning and go to the end. You can look through that index and find help with topics that you want. You can jump around, and you can do that same thing with the lesson series. As lessons come out, you don't necessarily have to go all the way through each one systematically, though I will be going through them systematically because concepts that happen build on something that happened previously. So I'm just here going to be releasing things that are happening in the book as I make my way through the book, as we make our way through the book, and as the videos are released, it's just going to go through what's going to supplement the different parts of the book. So it's going to be great. Hope to see you in these videos. Have fun, take care, and I'll see you again. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at kristenbromley.com. Take care.